How to send Word document from laptop to phone. So if you want to send the Word document from laptop to phone, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your WhatsApp on your laptop. After opening your WhatsApp application, make sure that you've logged in. Go with Get Started and log into your account. After opening your WhatsApp, now you just need to simply go with the chat in which you would like to send. Now you need to go with the attach option, which is here on the left side. So go with attach, go with document, and then select your document. So you just need to simply go with the document. I'll just simply go with downloads. And here I have a Word document. So I'll just simply select a Word document from here. And once you've selected the Word document, you need to go with open and go with send. And that's it. Now you can go with your mobile device. And after that, open up your WhatsApp and then tap on the document. And in this way, you'll be able to send your Word document from laptop to your phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.